So,
Put some of that in there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Well, what does that mean?
I don't know what this is, but Kikanohana, Kikanohana. Oh my god, this game is amazing, guys.
Do you want me to pick one for you?
I'm gonna
Kikunohana.
Kikanohana,
It's that.
Kikanohana, Kikanohana.
Put some of that in there. Go on.
Alright, so
Put some of that in there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Well, what does that mean?
5 shots.
Actually, this game that you don't
Do-
do it.
I
5
don't
shots.
Just do one. Just do one shot.
it too much. People
Okay, Andrew. Anyway, we get girl easy. Some boy ratings, yo, we not need it. Take with them girl, it's so easy. I'm we not pre nobody. Easy. We take with them girl so easy. So we step up and we roll out in the club with my friends and we talk and we having some fun. The Hennessy in a cup, yo, having some fun. What's the back of Jason? What them I do? Watch I know, watch I mix it up, watch a live mix. What they get them on, because in a Mark X so them come jazz this boom. Oh, they did it. Watch it. If you don't like sex, no girl don't want you. One in the action, mean and the brother. Psst, browning, we not here. Watch it mix again. Yo, woman go so then. Louis V shade rope twist deep, give me dark like a deep cave. Like that, something when you be with breeze. Whoa, a wild vlogger appears. Guys, they finna be lit. It's it's a rainy Saturday. Ah boy, I'm gonna meet up some peeps. But I'm gonna meet an Instagram baddie. Well, to me, she's a baddie. Gonna meet her. Gonna get my hair cut. Not my hair like locks, but shave up the sides and stuff and whatever. Then I'm gonna MC at Harlem, which is like one of the hottest clubs in Shibuya, Tokyo. Yeah, building my network, removing limits this year. As I said, I promised myself I'm gonna get fulfill my potential, you know what I mean? Because Jamaicans are like crazy talented, fam. All of us are multi. I'm shut up. Yeah, so that's it. Today's plan. Then I'm gonna head over to my brethren Heat. We'll make some beats. I'm gonna take you listen to a couple of beats we've been making, and hopefully by summer you're gonna get some fire. You're gonna get some bangers. You know what I mean? Big up. Oh yeah, I have my mask, but not wearing it yet till I get on the bus. All right. So gotta catch the bus, guys. See you later. Bye. Speed. So hey,
That's
plug.
definitely China.
Look at this girl. Okay, she is what's her name again on the YouTube? I don't remember what's the YouTube.
Baby Netero.
Baby Netero. Please follow her and subscribe her. She's also on Instagram. I don't know if she wants you there.
Netero Nena.
So, and this is Honcha. These are the uncle twins. Not uncle guys, uncle. Uncle twins. Yeah, they love uncle like a crazy addiction. And they say they're sweet girls, but I don't know about all that. Alright, workflow today, guys. Meeting. Corona. Alright, guys, day 2. Not day 2. This is what day. What the hell is this day? This is March 8th. Today is Thursday, March 19. I was actually supposed to have an event where I was emceeing a dancehall party, but that was postponed or cancelled. Postponed, cancelled. I'm going to go to Chiba City, get some cash, hopefully. Then I don't know, but we're on lockdown, still no work for the last 2 weeks, going 3 weeks. I haven't worked since February 29. The lockdown vlogs, the quarantine. Yeah, that's my bed behind me, and I guess I'll take care of my training today. Morning, people. It's Friday, 3rd week Friday of the coronavirus imposed lockdown. Plan today. Go look for Chrissy and Doreen. Yeah, I have nothing to do. I don't know if I work it. No word from the company. This is really getting worried. Alright, so it's a public holiday in Japan. Celebrating the first day of actual spring. It is nice outside today. We're not supposed to be doing anything. But I haven't seen my friends in about 6 months. 6 months? 3 months. So I'm gonna look for them. But yeah, it's a holiday. No work. Plus Corona says no work as well. So yeah, I'm hungry. I was bored. I've been at home for like 3 weeks now. Almost 3 weeks, sorry. It's at 9. See you soon. Would you look at this? Would you look at this? Dear God. No, sir. Alright, people, we're in the train. And we're there going easy back. If coronavirus is up, I don't know what's going on, but look at them on the back. That's not too much dog. Like, if coronavirus is a person, you think it would be that? Where do you think they're coming? Anyway, the man is out here stunting in the streets from beer plushie. Trouble. So, looks like we're gonna go to Costco and meet up with Chris and Dor. Alright guys, we just arrived. I'm losing my Costco virginity in Japan today. Alright. Shout out to Shacho from Terrace House Creek God.
Top.
And to Top.
Top from Terrace.
Top from Terrace House, Boys Next Door. You guys have Boys Next Door?
I think.
Yeah, because he will talk about the whole. Oh yes, because the girls to Costco. As friends. As no, Mina there? Mina there? Yeah, man. So out here, Shin Matsudo. Shin Matsudo, Jana? Shin Matsudo.
Misato.
What's Misato?
That's going to
Oh. My bad. Where I go?
Yeah, but we can't go.
We're not going down.
Let's go. Remember?
Lala put. Oh, look at this.
It's not forever anymore.
Golden.
Forever 21.
Golden. What is golden? Oh, that's really my hair bun up. Ooh, so forever 21 is no, not ever 21. It's over. Now see, Chris and Dor Files, guys. Look out for the YouTube channel coming in the next, whenever, I don't know when. Chris and Dor, the real killer them. The real killer them. But yo, this place is mad, innit? If you, I smell the food, I can't see it. What is? Latte macchiato. Is a machine this?
No, it's the cups.
Oh, someone talking about cup. Alright guys, this is Costco. You can't. Wow. Is it like this usually? No. Where is Doreen and how are we going away? We're trying to get to the food court. But I'll be here trouble. Costco must be so happy for the corona. Yo, this is madness in the farm. Yo. Yeah, man, I try. That's why I'm so socially distant away from Doreen. Oh, this is madness, fam. Yo, Costco is mad in it. Social distance is Japan, say. So much for that. Social distance Japan. Costco. Alright. People tell you something about Costco strawberry shake. Tell you something. If Chris Andor never tell me about this, you know. If Chris Andor did not tell me about this, I wouldn't have lost like 10% of my life. And I thank them for saving me.
Very extra.
Yo, make sure you follow Chris Endor vlogs coming soon. Chris Endor vlogs.
They're
Oh,
not
come on.
coming anywhere.
Yard people, they want to try to drink to this mass. I'm eat that. Anyways, guys, this is amazing. Is it strawberry banana?
It's just fruit, so there's kiwi here.
Kiwi, guys, kiwi in a shake. Oh! Thank you. Steady with the batik. Yeah, man, all time bad. Yeah, man, I tell you. What I know about Corona
And social distancing.
and social distancing. People say Japan practices naturally, but I don't see it happening anywhere. I mean, living in Japan, so. Yeah, let me tell you something. We're not gonna copy strike. Watch. Watch Chris of the half Chris Andor singing out the black anthem here. Lift every voice and sing! Y'all picking it. Sing out! We're not gonna copyright strike, so I'm gone.